Please be seated.
So, a very good morning to everyone present here. So, on behalf of the Department of Science, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to today's special event, My Story, a motivation session by scientist Srinivas HL. Today, so we have the honor of hosting Mr. Srinivas HL, an esteemed scientist from the ISRO Satellite Center, who has graciously joined us to share his journey, insights, and wisdom with all of us. This event, organized in association with IIC and IQAC, aims to inspire young minds through the remarkable story of the individual who has made significant contributions to the fields of space research and technology. So let's come together and make them memorable sessions. As we said to start our event, it rightly says, prayer is not asking, it is a longing of the souls. It is both an incredible expression of faith and a humble gesture of surrender towards the divine. So before we commence our event, it's time to connect our souls with the higher power to seek blessings, guidance, and wisdoms. Let's all take a moment of quiet reflections as we bow our heads in reverence and our intentions, the values that unite us. I request everyone to please stand us for silent prayer. So kindly remain standing for lamp lighting. So now we'll proceed with the traditional lighting of the lamp ceremony. I invite our distinguished guest, Mr. Srinivas, Scientist ISRO Satellite Center, Father Principal, and Dr. Rajalakshmi, Head Department of Science, to kindly step forward and lighting the lamp. Along with that, our students also please join us. So everyone, you may be seated. So it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this special event organized by the Department of Science in association with IIC and IQAC. Today, so we have gathered here for a unique opportunity to hear the inspiring journey and insights of Stu pioneer in India's space research community, scientist HL Srinivas. Mr. Srinivas has dedicated over 3 decades of his life to advancing space technology as a scientist at the ISRO Satellite Center. So this session, my story, the promises to be motivational experiences, so where journey and challenges along the way. So we are truly privileged to have him here to spark our imaginations and encourage us to dream big. So on behalf of everyone present, so I extend your warm welcome and hearty welcome to Mr. Srinivas. So we welcome you, sir. So we are honored to be joined today by a leader whose vision and dedications have shaped our college into what is today. So it is my privilege to welcome our principal, Reverend Father Jens Charles CMI, so whose leadership and dedications have been enforcing a culture of learning and excellence of institutions. So we welcome you, Father. So a heartfelt welcome to all our respected HODs and faculty members who have joined us today. Your dedications and commitment to nurturing young minds make even this possible, and we are grateful for your continuous encouragements. And of course, a very warm welcome to our students who are the heart of this gatherings. Today's session is all about igniting your curiosity, inspiring your dreams, and opening new horizons in the world of science and technology. So thank you all for being here. And let's make this unforgettable experience together. So once again, welcome you all. So our principal has always been a guiding force behind our initiatives, encouraging us to strive for excellence in all our endeavors. So now, it's my great honor to invite our visionary leader, Reverend Father Jens Charles CMI, Principal, Christ College of Science and Management, to share a few words with us.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Father.
Most respected Sri Srinivas HL, Scientist ISRO Satellite Center, Bengaluru. Dr. Rajalakshmi, Head Department of Science. We have Mr. Tagadurai, teachers, dear students. It's a privilege and honor to all of us to see Scientist Srinivas amongst us. And looking at him and interacting with him, we felt a scientist could be so humble and down to earth and has no what do you call the bombards of the heights of scientists and discoveries of things like that. And I'm very proud to see him like that. Thank you very much, sir, for coming over here and interacting with us and spending your valuable time with us. And dear students, it's to you. There are a lot of things that we have to keep in mind. Seeing Srinivas coming in, what I was thinking, how humble you can be. You can be anyone. You can be the director of IISR, or maybe you can be the Indian president, maybe the prime minister, or anyone. But being very humble, down to earth, talking to people, and understanding them, being very humble and simple is something which is very valued. And being a human is something that we need. We are living in an era of AI driven era. Everything is now AI. When you open your mobile, everything goes AI. And even you frame messages for your besties, boyfriends and girlfriends and friends in Meta AI and send them as if you have done it, right? No, you're not using it. Oh, you have some other ways to connect people. Yeah, great. Okay, we are living in an era of artificial intelligence where human beings will be replaced by artificial intelligence. And we don't require people for any work. Then what is the importance of human being? You have a system developed here, and I know students were after this for months. They were given training and they have developed it, and they will go for a presentation, and you have a lot of things to do. But being human is something which we require at this age. We talk about artificial intelligence, we require it. We require artificial intelligence. And mastering artificial intelligence is something which is required to upskill everyone. At the same time, it should make us humane, looking at the people, seeing them as human beings, not as something like a robot. This is a robot, and this will function according to the commands. And human beings are becoming robots. They go with the commands they get from social media, the trends, maybe from the Instagram, Reels, or there are a lot many which I do not know even. Okay, there are a lot many apps that you are being part in. I don't know because I belong to another generation, and which is not that good with technical aspects. So all these things, all changes will come, but being human is something which is required, and these all things are required to equip ourselves to get a good job, maybe with a dignified salary, maybe for the future prospectus. But after all, we are human beings. The human emotions, the value systems that we take care of, the value system that we uphold, that is much important. And being balanced with technology and the human values, I think that is what is required at this time. Technological advancement without human values will never help. That's why we have the discovery of atom bomb, nuclear fusion, things like that. And where it led to Hiroshima and Nagasaki, you know what happened there. And the technology, if leads to human destruction or maybe the destruction of this beautiful earth, and then we have problems. All these technology, if it is used for the uplift of human beings, Gandhiji's Sarvodaya, there is a concept called Sarvodaya. What is it? Or it is something else is called Antyodaya. There is something called Sarvodaya and there is something called Antyodaya. Sarvodaya is rise of all, the empowerment of everyone. And Antyodaya is something like the empowerment of the least one, the downtrodden, maybe the marginalized, maybe the less privileged. And the technology should cater to those people who are less privileged. It's not only for those who have high intelligence or the amenities to afford, but it should cater to the basic needs of those people who are less privileged. And if you cannot do that, the technology that you discover is a pure waste, or you can call it trash. It should help the people, and especially the people who are less privileged and downtrodden. And that's the orientation that we have to create. And once we start with that orientation and motivation, I think we will definitely frame a world, create a world which will definitely look forward to have a peaceful coexistence and empowerment of everyone. Let this day be the starting point of that right orientation, balancing technology and human values together. And I appreciate Mr. Tangadurai for initiating this kind of activities, and I especially thank and appreciate Department of Science for coming up with this kind of initiatives, and a special note of thank you to our scientist Srinivas HL, and thank you for being with us, sir. And it is truly an inspiration for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you for those inspiring words. So moving forward, it's time to introduce our esteemed guest of the day. Today, it is a great honor and privilege to welcome an esteemed personality who has played a significant role in India's space program and contributed immensely to the nation's advancements in space technology, scientist HL Srinivas. Mr. Srinivas completed his engineering in electronics and communications from Government College, Bangalore. And in 1987, he embarked on an extraordinary journey with ISRO. In his initial years, from 1987 to 1999, he served in the quality control divisions where he held the vital responsibility of final authority approval in electronics fabrications, ensuring the highest standard in ISRO's projects. From 1998 to 2013, he continued his dedicated work as the final authority in the printed circuit board divisions, where his contributions were essential in ensuring the precision and reliability of ISRO's components. In 2013, he transitioned to the PPEG exhibitions divisions, where he took on the role of head of outreach programs. As a part of this role, he has been instrumental in spreading knowledge and inspiring the public, especially young minds, about satellite technology and ISRO's missions. So scientist Srinivas' commitment to education and outreach is truly commendable. Over the years, he has given lectures to more than 4 lakh students and VIPs, sharing insights into satellite technology and space explorations at the ISRO Satellite Center in Bangalore. So now, we come to one more exciting part of today's event, that's official launch of our project's sustainable sprayer, the robot BugBuster using IoT, which showcase the practical application of advanced C programming for sustainable solutions. So this innovative project is designed by our first BSc students to address agricultural needs. So marking a step forward to our efforts towards sustainable development. To launch these projects, I invite Scientist Srinivas HL and our beloved principal to do the honors. So, Father, will you please initiate the launch? Let's give them a big round of applause. So we have a small PPT presented by Mr. Srikanth and Rakshita. It's about BugBusters.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about sustainable sprayer, the robot BugBuster using IoT. An IoT solution for efficient pesticide and water management. Problem statement. Challenges faced by farmers, health risks, cause respiratory and skin issues for farmers, time consuming, manual spraying in labor intensive and slow, reducing efficiency during peak pest seasons, overuse of pesticides, difficult to control dosage, leading to excessive use that harm crops and soil, lack of real-time monitoring, no way to monitor crop health or pest levels in real time, leading to delayed response. Introducing to the BugBuster. Why we need a smarter sustainable solution? Resource efficiency. Reduces overuse of water and pesticides, saving cost and preserving resources. Precision agriculture. Target specific areas accurately, minimize waste and maximize crop health. Environment protection. Lower chemical runoff, protecting soil and water sources from pollution. Enhance crop field and quality. Healthier crops with fewer chemicals lead to better yields and higher quality. And our solution, the smart sprinkler, IoT based automating a smart sprinkler system based designed to spray water and pesticides pressure needed features. Targeted spraying applies water or pesticides only required areas, reducing time. Remote control. Operating and adjust settings from anywhere, optimizing usage based on real-time data. Sustainable and precision. Minimizes chemical and water usage, reduces environment impact, and supports healthier, more resilient crops. So the benefits of the solution efficiency. Precise farming, targeted spraying. The system ensures water and pesticides are applied only when needed, reducing water waste and improving crop health. Cost efficiency. Lower expenses reduces the amount of water and pesticides required, resulting in significant cost saving for farmers. Environment friendly. Minimize chemical usage, reduces pesticide overuse, protecting ecosystem and reducing harmful runoff into soil and water. Conserves water. Prevents water wastage by applying only the necessary amount that obtained. User friendly. Easy to use and maintain. Now I call Rakshita to explain the overview of technical.
Good morning, everyone. Now let's see technical overviews. In that, let's see some key points. First one is Arduino UNO. It is mainly brain of our project and it is responsible for reading inputs from sensors, controllers and controlling the outputs such as motor, relays or LEDs. It can be programmed using Arduino IDE also. Second one is CI298N 2A motor driver model. This model is a dual H bridge motor driver model and this is used to control the speed and directions of 4-gate motor, and it is essential to control motor when using low power microcontrollers like Arduino, and they can't drive the motors directly. Third one is HC05 Bluetooth model. It is a serial Bluetooth model. This can be used to control your project wirelessly, such as smartphone app, and enabling functions like remote controller or tolling components like water pump on and off. Fourth is geared motors. DC motors are combined with geared reduction system. This will likely serve as the driving mechanisms for robot or vehicle. The gear allows for precision control and sufficient torque to move the wheels. Next, RC remote controller receiver. If you are planning to control your project with RC transmitter instead of Bluetooth, the RC receiver will decode the signals and send them to Arduino or motors. And the last one is 3.7b, chargeable batteries. These are lithium ion or lithium polymer batteries, which are rechargeable batteries, often used in portable electronics. The batteries will provide power to move motors and other components. Multiple batteries are connected in series to increase the overall voltage. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Rakshita, and thank you, Shrikant. So thank you, Zoom. Thank you for the launch of this BugBusters, and I appreciate the efforts of our students for making these projects possible. So we are all eager to hear from you about your journey, experience, and any advice you might have to us here today. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Mr. Srinivas HL. Let's give him a round of applause.
Good morning all. Good morning, sir. Respected principal sir, HODs, principals and media, HODs and professors and media students. Today, two talk is there. One is one general talk, another is in technical talk. Now in general talk, friends, just you observe one 5 years onwards, people are telling India is going right way. Industrialists also telling. Good politicians are telling, CEOs are telling, foreign people are also telling, India is going right way. And our prime ministers are telling, prime minister is telling, India become a superpower in 2050. How it is possible? It is possible, 2050, India become a superpower. How it is means, I tell you, 1, 3, 4 example. India is going right way means, ISRO is going right way. Very good projects are there. Gaganyaan project is there, Chandrayaan project is there, Aditya project is there, Mangalyaan project, all are successful. All first time launch, first time successful. All the projects. Okay. That one focal point is, I tell you last focal point, how it is going right way means that leadership is important. Our chairman is important. Okay. That ISRO is going right way means that benefit, that credit goes to our chairman, ISRO chairman. Like that, DRDO is going right way. Very good, the missiles are there. Prithvi, Agni, so many missiles are there. That are also going very right way, it is going on. That credit goes to DRDO chairman. HL, very good aircrafts are there. Another 40 years work is there. Another 40 years, that much of work is there. HL, drones. Like this, they're all manufacturing drones, airplanes, helicopters and all. That credit goes to HL chairman. Like that, IT companies also. Okay, like that, all it goes to the chairmen and leadership. All this one, India is going right way means HL is going right way, DRDO, BHL, ISRO, IT companies, all are going right way means what are the important things? Important things is skilled person is required. Skilled and not only skilled, intelligent. What I observed here. Okay, like this, students are required. India is going right way means what is important? Students are the important. Who is giving the students? Christ College principal is giving students. Christ College HODs are giving students. Christ College principals and HODs and professors are giving students. That is only important. Students only important. Student, skilled student is there, only India is going the right way. Otherwise, no. Okay, this is a very, very important. Future, student only important. I tell you, you are all BSc students. Earlier, our IT companies and all, they're taking only engineers only. Electronics, computer science, mechanicals and all. Now, maximum companies are taking BSc students only. they're giving training to skill, then they're occupying. Now, people, students, what I'm telling, students are getting only certificate and they're rounding year to year, year to there, year to there. I am having a certificate, I am having no use. Have to develop. Have to develop skill. Whatever are new is there, you have to introduce. Our sir is telling artificial intelligence. You know what is that artificial intelligence? That in future, another 10 to 20 years, world is changing. Lot of changes are, lot of changes. I tell you one or two example. Now, all CEOs are there. No, worldwide I'm telling. I'm not telling Malur or India like that. Worldwide I'm telling you. Worldwide, lot of changes are there. What changes means? Robots are coming already with the manufacturing robots. Like your car is a Maruti car, Tata car, and the Skoda car, like that. Different robots already started. They are all thinking if robots are working, means what we want to do to people, jobs and all. Okay, they are planning. Now our government is giving free, no, bus is free, and every month electrical free. Like that, they have to pay money for people who are not all the persons, unskilled persons. Okay, manpower, where is manpower required for packing, agriculture? Okay, like that they have to pay money, they are enjoying, but everything in future, everything is doing robot only, everything. Each and even girls are there, my year. I tell you, another 10 years, your kitchen is not there. Kitchen concept is not there. Okay, one robot is coming, they are doing everything that is okay. We have to go to market, bringing vegetables and cutting, washing, cooking and all, time waste is there. Okay, one robot it is doing everything it is doing. Agriculture also, one robot is enough. Like this only, what I am suggesting you, what is doing, spray only is doing. In Dodubadapura, one farmer, 5 acres land is introducing artificial intelligence. Everything is doing artificial intelligence. The future, student only important, not simply students, skilled students only requirement. You can take certificate and stay here means no use. You have to move to Hosur, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, like that. You have to move. Then only you will get a job. Simply I am passing BSc, first class rank means no use. You have to move some other places. That is important. Initially 5,000 is enough for salary, 5,000 is enough. Shelter and food, PG and all 5,000 is they are giving shelter and food, that is enough. Outwards, you can getting more jobs. I tell you, I don't know, another 10 years, more jobs are there with skilled students only. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, students, what he is doing now, that is good only, at the initial only. In that one, more things you have to introduce that one. Okay, afterwards I will come and I will discuss with that student what he is doing. Okay, now I will come to technical talk. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, students, today we will talk about space technology. In computer space technology, you will all remember grade 3 scientist name, Professor Change. Professor U.R. Rao, Dr. Satish Dhawan, and Vikram Sarabhai. These 3 persons only important in ISRO satellite center. In computer space technology, 3 events are there. One is satellite technology, rocket technology, and application. In India, 4 important ISRO centers in different places. One from Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Gujarat. These four majorly important. In Karnataka, full satellite manufactured in Bangalore only, ISRO. Rocket from Kerala. Once rocket and satellite ready means it moves to the road transport of the Andhra Pradesh Sriharikota, their launching facility there. In Ahmedabad, no payload. Payload means what purpose is sending satellite, that kind of purpose. In 1963, ISRO was launched the rocket, name is sounding rocket, study of climatic condition, wind direction, wind power, wind density, and the cloud study purpose. You are all observe the space sometime. White thick smoke is going on. Observe white thick smoke in the space. That is sounding rocket. Every month we launching the track study of climatic condition. ISRO is having next. This is our Abdul Kalam's first rocket, SLV, Satellite Launch Vehicle. Next. This one, improved version, Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. These are all old one earlier. Now, ISRO is having two types of rocket. One is PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Another is GSLV Mark III. PSLV means a Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. PSLV is a 4-stage rocket. Solid, liquid, like that. What we are using propellant is, solid is HTPB chemical combination, liquid is monomethyl dimethyl. Satellite is put in top of the that called a heat shield. It will open and eject the satellite. You have seen in the TV and for launching. It will open and eject the satellite. This PSLV rocket up to 900 km it travels. Distance is 900 km. Weight is 1200 kg weight lift off. Our rocket weight is 300 ton is there. Lift off weight is 1200 kg only. Why means our rocket is going against gravitation force. 1 gram also very important. Our aeroplane and all only 7 kilometers. Only 7 kilometers. Ours is 900 kilometers up to 900 kilometers. Okay. Next. Another one is GSLV Mark III. GSLV Mark is 3-stage rocket. PSLV 4-stage, GSLV 3-stage, solid, liquid, and cryogenic engine. This cryogenic engine is going to take more weight, long distance it will travel. PSLV travels 900 km, GSLV travels 36,000 km. Weight also, PSLV 1220 kg, GSLV 4,000 kg weight it will lift off. That cryogenic engine is that is working minus 182 degree temperature, propellant is liquid oxygen, liquid hydrogen. Okay. Same type. Next. Our first satellite, 1975, Aryabhatta, Bhaskara, Rohini series satellite. These are all experimental satellites. During that time, our scientists under learning stage. That time we built Aryabhatta, Bhaskara, Rohini series satellite. Our first communication, next. Our first communication satellite name is Apple. 1981 we launched that one. Apple means not that apple, what we are eating. We launched it from Russia. That rocket name is Ariane Passenger Payload Vehicle. We are given that name. So, first communication satellite, Apple. ISRO is having two types of rocket. One is PSLV, another is GSLV Mark III. Same type, two types of satellite is there. Two types of rocket, two types. One is IRS satellite, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. All the IRS satellite is launched from PSLV rocket. All our IRS satellite is within 400 to 900 km range only from there. The main use of our IRS satellite is agriculture, water, environmental, forest, disaster, ocean, all this on IRS will take. How it will take care? I will give one two example. One RI sat is there, RI sat, radar image satellite. Our China-Pakistan border is there, no? Any one vehicle moves, will capturing the flow, that much powerful is there. Earlier our camera resolution is 2 km, 3 km. Now it comes to the 0.25 meter. Any one car moves, it captures that much powerful. That is a radar image satellite, that is latest, very big project satellite. Another one is one ocean sat is there, ocean sat. Our fishermen is there, they go and catch fishes. Is it? Sometimes they are coming empty and fishes are not there, they are coming empty. Now not like that. Our satellite shows where are dense fishes are there, what type of fishes are there, what size is there, everything will show. Overall linked fishermen is definitely they go and catch fishes now. That type of powerful satellite, IRS satellite, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. Okay, these are all satellite, IRS satellite. These are all users, agriculture, water, environmental, forest, disaster, all this one. Next is satellite photos. Next. These are satellite photos taken from 900 km, 400 to 900 km. It is Earth only, it is looking like this. Another one is next. communication satellite. One is Earth observation satellite, another is communication satellite. All the communication satellite lands from GSL rocket. All our communication satellite is in 36,000 kilometers. If 36,000 kilometers, 3 satellite is there, no, you can get all the transfer out TV, Russia, America, BBC, live is there, no, your mobile and all, through communication satellite. That is in 36,000 kilometers. 3 satellite is there in 36,000 kilometers, then you can getting all the channels. In the worldwide, you can getting 3 should be there. ISRO's 28 satellite is there. Total 28 satellite is ISRO's 28 satellite. Okay. These are all communication satellite. Next. All users, agriculture, this one TV, mobile, internet, GPS system, all communication will take care. Next. Now, all the satellite, not only Indian satellite, foreign satellite also covered by golden color material blanket. This type of blanket they are using. This is a thermal blanket. In our Bennu temperature last year, around 36 degrees there, maximum 36 degrees there. Chennai 40 is there. Delhi 47 is the temperature. California is there, no, sometimes 55 is there, 55. But in the space temperature is plus 120, minus 180. Suddenly comes plus 120, suddenly comes minus 120. You will send it as it is, satellite will burn out. Our satellite also working like your TV, mobile, room temperature. That is only all the satellite covered by golden color thermal blanket. Name is Captain. Metal is aluminium mylar sheet because of temperature only. Okay, this is temperature control. All the satellite covered, fully covered like this temperature. Next. Now, 2 types of antenna we are using. One is phased array antenna. Phased array antenna, our IRS satellite we are using phased array antenna. Our IRS satellite, pole to pole it is revolving. Pole to pole. Earth is moving like this, satellite is moving like this only. When our satellites come to America, if we want America's photos, if click it here means you will take and send it to you. That was special type of antenna, phased array antenna. Here different antennas are there. Wherever it may be, please send. Wherever it may be, it receives and sending the signal. This is phased array antenna. Another one is next unfurlable antenna or 5 antenna. Unfurlable antenna 5 this is a special type of antenna. Our communication satellite we use unfurlable antenna 5. This is a special type. You all see in India map. You all see India map. In India map, left side, right side, bottom and all water is there. When our communication satellite transmit the signal, it will go left side, right side, bottom and all. Waste is the signal. What we are using unfurlable antenna or 5 antenna, India only receive the signal. The type antenna, unfurlable antenna or 5 antenna. Okay, next. Now, what we are using electronic component is there, no? We have special type of component we are using that called a mill specified component. What we are all using, no, ordinary components in TV, mobile and computers and all. That is a ordinary, this one, special type of antenna. Cost also more is there. Electronic components name, any idea? Electronic components name? Simply tell me what you know. Components name? Tell me loudly, no problem. Resistor, capacitor, diode, inductors. These are all electronic components. Resistor, capacitor, diode, inductor. Next is transistors. Next is ICs. Next is HMCs, hybrid microcircuit. Okay. Latest electronic components. Latest electronic component name is ASIC. ASIC, application specific integrated circuit. That is latest component. Then last is the latest component, ASIC component. Okay. Here, resistor, capacitor, diode is 1 rupee, 2 rupees. 1 rupee, 2 rupees. Transistors 10 rupees, 20 rupees. ICs 100 rupees, 200 rupees. HMCs 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees. ASIC how much is there? Simply tell one number. You only tell one number. Simply tell number one number. 600. Okay, you? 800. Here. First girl. Tell me simply, no problem. Cost? 1000. This last? 3000. Back? Somebody can tell numbers. 10,000. Okay. That is a ASIC component is 1 inch by 1 inch 10 mm thick is 1 inch by 1 inch 10 mm thick. Cost is 2 crore rupees. 2 crore rupees. Why we are all using all this type of components? In the space, weight only important things. Weight only important things. Yeah. Earlier, your TV is in olden days, your grandfather, your father time, our TV's weight is almost more 2% you have to lift that one. TV. Now, new technology, 2 fingers lift that one. Olden days, what type of battery you are all using? 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, what type of battery? Lead acid battery. Now, what type of battery? Lithium ion. What are all new technology introducing here? Okay, that is earlier our satellite weight is 1000 kg, means now it's come to 250 kg because of new technology. What are all new technology introducing? Okay, this electronic component all we are buying from America. Indian company are not using. Cost also here 1 rupee is there, no? Same company we are buying from America, they are charging 1000 rupees. Why means our satellite name is called a single shot machine. Satellite name single shot. Once goes means that's all, no repair, no revert. Each satellite cost is 500 to 1500 crore rupees. 500 crores to 1500 crore rupees. If any one component, 1 rupee, restore item, no damage means full satellite is not working. That is only we are buying from America, they are giving guarantee. 15 years definitely. Our satellite working 5 to 15 years. Now it is increasing to the 20 years because of new technology. Okay, these are all electronic components we are using in the general your TV, mobile also same thing only, but mill ocean component we are using, cost is more, life it comes more. Next. And we are using fuel, we are using in the satellite, main thing is fuel only. Fuel not there means satellite data only. Fuel monomethyl dimethyl we are using. How much we are using fuel means 1000 kg satellite is a 600 kg fuel. Fuel not there means satellite data. Why fuel is required means the main object of a satellite is Earth observation only. The main object of satellite is Earth observation only. If not observe the Earth, it tilt means no use. Correction of the satellite, we are using fuel, 1000 kg means 600 kg fuel is there. Loft side thrusters are there are small type of rockets. All the corners of the satellite, we are putting thrusters or small rocket. If tilt like this means we are firing this rocket, it comes correct. Therefore, only fuel is required. Fuel very, very important. Okay, and the skeleton of the satellite here. Bottom is the skeleton of the satellite is honeycomb type of metacolumn. You know honeycomb? What is that called? Honeycomb means what? Same thing. We are using the type of why means I don't know. Our rocket is going against gravitational force. On ground also very, very important. If body of the satellite is more weight means you have to accommodate more electrons and mechanical things. That is only we are using honeycomb. Example I tell you. If 3 meter by 3 meter, 3 inches thickness, 3 meter by 3 meter, 3 inches thickness, solid iron, it comes to 700 to 800 kg weight. 700 to 800 kg solid iron. Same 3 meter by 3 meter, 3 inches thickness, honeycomb is only 200 grams. 1 pound, very strong and very rigid. That is only the skeleton of the satellite, honeycomb type of made of aluminum. Okay, next. Now, this is called as clean room, assembly of the satellite. This temperature is 22 degree room temperature is a humidity 50% is a clean line 1 lakh particles per cubic feet clean line. Why we are using this type of this one clean room means we are using sensitive component. I don't know HASI component 2 crore rupees. Just to touch like this means touch means 2 crore rupees waste. Why? What our body is producing? Any idea? What our body is producing? Loudly can talk here, freely can talk. Not eat. Static electricity. Our body is producing static electricity. If you go some voltage, it damage. That is only when doing satellite work, no, our body should be grounded. Whatever are producing, move to the ground. You know static electricity? You take it your comb, do it like this and put it in the cloth. It is coming pata pata like that sound is coming now. That is called static electricity. Okay, our body also produces static electricity that enters into the component is damaged. That is only while doing satellite work in the clean room, our body should be grounded. Okay, this is called as clean room. 7 clean rooms are like this. 7 clean rooms. Each clean room 7 to 8 satellite will manufacture. That much of big is there. All the satellite manufactured in Bangalore only. Okay, this is called as clean room. Next. Now, if satellite is ready, what next? Next is testing. I told now our side working 5 to 15 years continuously. A small part, 1 rupee is component damage means full satellite damage. That is only so many tests we are conducting. Now, first we are conducting vibration test. Vibration test. Our rocket speed, how much you know? Rocket speed? Any idea? Rocket speed? Your bus speed, how much is there? 60 km, 40 km per hour. In 40 km per hour itself, you are all doing like this. Is it in the bus? Ours is 11.2 km per second. Rocket speed is 11.2 km. Very big vibration here. Vibration we are conducted like this one. Put it video. Vibration test we are conducted like this one. This is the vibration test we are doing. See, this is a vibration test. This is very important test we are conducting. First vibration test. Okay. Next is acoustic test. Very big sound is coming in the rocket. Very big sound is coming in the rocket. Okay, acoustic we are conducting. Like this one we are conducting acoustic test. Putting a video. Is there? Acoustic test we are conducting like this. Next is antenna test. Antenna is very important. If you move to the satellite goes 800 km means antenna is not working, means no use. That is only antenna test we are conducting. Next is EMI EMC test. Next, EMI EMC test we are conducting. Okay, this is antenna test. EMI electromagnetic interference, electromagnetic conductance test we are conducting. Okay, next. Next is finally we are conducting thermovac test. 3 chambers are there. 4 meter dia, 6.5 meter dia, 9 meter dia, depend upon the size of the satellite. Full satellite putting inside and closing. 21 days required to check all parameters. We are creating temperature in this chamber only. How much is the temperature? Space temperature? Plus 120, minus 180. We are creating in this chamber. Same space temperature creating. In this test it is okay, means it's moved to the Srinivas HL. How we are creating temperature? Plus 120, how we are creating? Any idea? Plus 120, how we are creating in this chamber? How? Tell loudly. How? Your house under temperature, how we are creating? Same. Heater only. Heater. Minus 180? Cooler 0 degree. Minus 180. One chemical is there. Liquid nitrogen. That characterizes minus 180. Okay, that is gift. Same temperature. We are flowing. Liquid nitrogen flowing this one. In this test it is okay, means ready to move to launching Sriharikota. There one vibration we are conducting. Through road transport only we are moving. Okay? Via Tirupati, one salute and it's move. Rocket also is moving from Kerala to Sriharikota through road transport only. Okay? Next. How we are conducting solar panel test. This is the way we are conducting solar panel test. Video and audio also can take it. No, before. No. We are moving next. Video is there. Audio can put it audio. This is the way, no. This is the antenna test we are conducting like this only. Audio is coming up? Audio? These are all happening in the space. Antenna test. This one solar panel test conducted. Very big solar panel is there. Is the way. These are all happening in the space. Okay. No, don't come to folder. This one is the Chandrayaan video, not Chandrayaan. Now, students, afterwards, you observe Chandrayaan 3 video, how we launched the satellite. Okay. Next is question and answer. You can ask question. Okay. I will answer all the questions. This is the way we are launching the satellite Chandrayaan 3.
Chandrayaan 3 or CH3 is a follow-on mission of Chandrayaan 2 or CH2. The Chandrayaan 3 configuration is arrived considering Chandrayaan 2 heritage on-orbit experience gained from Chandrayaan 2 mission. Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft is configured with a propulsion module PM and a lander module LM. A rover is accommodated inside LM. A lot of robustness has been built in lander to autonomously handle wide range of dispersions in required parameters to achieve soft and safe landing. Extensive simulations and ground testing has been carried out to evaluate the system performance in non-nominal conditions. In Chandrayaan 3, orbiter is configured as propulsion module to function as a carrier for lander module till 100 kilometers lunar orbit. Lander module is configured with 4 payloads, namely CHASE, Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment; Rambha, Radio Anatomy of Moon-bound Hypersensitive Ionosphere and Atmosphere; ILSA, Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity; LRA, Laser Retroreflector Array. CHASE will carry out the measurements of thermal properties of lunar surface at landing site. Rambha will measure the near-surface plasma density of Moon and its variation with time. ILSA will measure seismicity around the landing site. LRA is a passive instrument that provides a target for precision laser ranging from a spacecraft in lunar orbit, enabling geolocation of the lander. Rover is configured with 2 payloads. These payloads are LIBS, Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscope, and APXS, Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer. LIBS will derive the chemical composition and infer mineralogical composition of lunar surface, whereas APXS will determine the elemental composition of lunar soil and rocks around the lunar landing site. In order to have a safe and soft landing, it is required to know the position and velocity of lander very precisely at every instant.
The Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft consists of a propulsion module and a lander module with a rover accommodated inside the lander.
The main function of propulsion module is to carry the lander module from launch vehicle injection till lander separation.
A six-way rover is accommodated inside the lander, which would be deployed onto the lunar surface post-landing. Rover solar panel deployment and illumination test, rover standalone EMI-MC test, vibration test, thermo-vacuum test, and mass property measurements were carried out. All tests associated to rover were successfully completed and the rover was made ready for further integration onto lander. A test module called the ICT module was realized, integrated onto the helicopter, ferried to Chitradurga, where the ICT tests were conducted in a comprehensive module was realized for conducting the test by accommodating all systems. A total of 20 tests were successfully conducted, which include 6 dry-runs, 8 static tests, and 6 dynamic closed-loop tests. The lander leg drop tests were carried out to evaluate the energy absorption capability, strength and stability aspects of lander legs during a total of 15 drop tests at simulator level and 2 drop tests at QM structure level were conducted successfully. The objective of lander is to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface. Detailed assembled mode IST was carried out, followed by mass property measurement, thermo vacuum test, solar panel assembly, and illumination test, EMI-EMC test at CATF eyesight. This was followed by pre-dynamic deployment of secondary rover ram, primary ram, and rover rollout from lander, and payload deployments such as INSA and Ramba, chased, and the lander was made ready for further activities.
The recommendation of national level experts and untiring effort put by the entire team ISRO has made us confident in successfully flying Indian flag on moon in Chandrayaan 3. The mission strategy of Chandrayaan 3, from spacecraft injection till lunar orbit acquisition, is similar to Chandrayaan 2. Propulsion module of Chandrayaan 3 will carry lander module up to approximately 100 by 100 kilometers lunar polar orbit. Subsequently, lander module will get separated from propulsion module at 6 days before landing.
Mission Operation Complex at ISRO's Telemetry Tracking and Command Network ISTRAC, situated in Namma Bengaluru, Karnataka.
हाँ, अब हम देख सकते हैं रफ ब्रेकिंग फेज की शुरुआत हो चुकी है।
Visualization of the lander module moving towards the moon's surface. We are nearing the final phase of the power descent, which is going to be the vertical descent phase or the local navigation phase.
जी हाँ, अब हम टाइम ब्रेकिंग फेज के एकदम करीब आ चुके हैं। हाँ, तालियों के गड़गड़ाहट से सुन सकते हैं कि
Sir, we have achieved soft landing on the moon. India is on the moon.
Okay, friend, this is the way we launching the satellite Chandrayaan 3. Okay. Now, any question, doubt, even small question also no problem. You can ask Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, English. Okay, no problem. You can ask questions. Any question, raise your hand and ask questions. Even small also no problem, you can ask questions. Any doubt? Freely you can ask. Even small also no problem question. If you're not asking means I will ask you questions. You all understand it seems properly.
Good morning, sir. Just one small question.
Yeah. Big question also can ask, no problem.
So the Chandrayaan 3 satellite, that is on space aspect only. But recently I came to know that ISRO is planning on something like ocean exploration or something. Like, I don't know the name, Samudrayan or Sagaryan, ocean exploration. So what is the procedure for doing that one?
Normally we are using space exploration only. That and all in ocean and all, some others are there. DRDO is there, no? They are only doing. They are giving picture. about ocean inside, what are all they were giving that one. That inside, it is a robot is moving inside the ocean. Okay, 7 kilometers there, inside ocean deep is only 7 kilometers. In the one end, 14 kilometers there. Okay, that is different. The ISRO is not doing that one. ISRO only space there's a this one separate one committee there. That one not is that doing, not ISRO. That one. Ocean exploration and all.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions, students? Ask question, even small also no problem. Ask questions. Important things is there, you are not asking questions. Very, very important thing for students. You are not asking questions. No question, huh? How many students wants to join ISRO? Raise your hand. How many students wants to join ISRO? You don't want any opportunity, ISRO? ISRO, very good job opportunities, sir. Very good job opportunities. Meaning, we are taking all the branches we are taking, even BSc also we are taking. Technical assistant, we are taking BSc, technical assistant. Okay, in that one, minimum seat, please again. Please. Minimum 65% students, minimum 65%, ISRO conducting written test. You passed written test, Viva, you passed Viva, 1 year we are giving training, also you also become a scientist. Okay, minimum 65% is there, minimum student. Not only BSc, engineering also. Engineering also, electronics, mechanical, computer, maximum we are taking electronics, mechanical, computer only. Others also we are taking, okay. Minimum 65% is there. ISRO only conducting written test. ISRO, no break, no influence. Okay, purely what you are saying, that only we are asking questions. Okay, our website is www.isro.gov.in. www.isro.gov.in. When you can call, you can apply. That is only. Even in that website, our previous question paper also is there. What are we are giving question paper? And facility wise, maximum facility ISRO. Maximum facility. The example, Sir Jandar ISRO scientist. Your good name, sir? Jai Kumar. Jai Kumar sir is Jandar ISRO scientist. Full family, including parents, children's wife. Free medical facilities in topmost hospitals, lifelong. 5 crores also we are paying. 5 crores also we are paying. And every 3 years, high jump promotions. Every 4 years, anywhere you can go India, flight tickets free, every 4 years, full family, flight tickets free. Very good house. In Bangalore, very good house, quarters is there. And every year, additional 4 lakh rupees, Okay, salary separate is there. Additional 4 lakh rupees. You just to think how much salary is there. More salary is there. All the wages you are giving, in that term, you have to improve your knowledge, improve your percentage. What your professor says, you have to listen that. That is only important things. And you have to learn more English language. That is very, very important. English is very important. You all know about Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and all. Is it? But you have to learn more English. That is very, very important. Okay? More English means you can getting more. Example, if Kannada, Telugu, Tamil knows means only 10,000 rupees salary. You know English, 25,000 rupees salary. Okay? English is very, very important. Competition is there. Okay, that is I am telling you. For student, no difference between rural student and city students. All students only have to learn more English language. That is very, very, very important. You are not talking in English only, no? Not talking. I will give an example. The difference between local language and English language. Kannada, Telugu, Tamil separate, English is separate. How means? Just you assume your Malur, this is Malur, no? You have to assume Malur. In one corner, one big galata is going, very big galata. Okay? Just you observe, one big galata. Now, big galata is going on. Who is coming? Who are all coming? Huh? Police. Police are coming. What they are bringing? Lathi and rifle. rifle, big gun tire, rifle they are bringing. You know how to operate that rifle? How it is operated? Rifle. Rifle, yes, it's not a joke, please students. It's not a joke, seriously I am telling you. How that operate means, this one is a rifle, big rifle. Here Galata is going on. We are putting like this, opening this one, taking one bullet, putting inside, closing, triggering. One bullet is going. Again they are taking one bullet, again they are putting, closing, triggering. One bullet only coming outside. That is Kannada, Telugu, Tamil. You know AK-47? Yes, sir. How it works? Automatic. 100 bullets in 1 minute. That is English. If you AK-47 you can go anywhere, no problem. Even midnight, forest you can go. AK-47 is there. Okay? English, you know means you can go any world. That is important. That is what I am telling you. Learn more English language. Very, very important English. Nowadays competition is there. In America, president is 27 Indians are there. Important post, 27 Indians are there. How they are going there? The input language, the input knowledge. That is the only important thing. That is what I am telling you. Maximum talking. We know Kannada, Telugu, Tamil. Is it? We know in the mother tongue is there, even our house also we are talking. But you have to learn more English. That is very, very important. Okay? Even ISRO also, if it comes means English only, all questions and all are there. Go anywhere. In IT comes and all, English only. You have to learn more English language. There is no difference between rural student and city student. All are students only. That depend upon you only. Learn more languages, learn more knowledge, improve your percentage. That is all the important things. Okay? Okay. Any other question, students? Anything? No questions? You can ask local language also, no problem. I can understand little bit. Telugu, Tamil and all.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, I have a question that you said that the satellites are carried through roadways. Then why can't we carry the satellites through airways?
Airways, good. Okay. Why means, here our Bangalore, our ISRO is there, no? From there to airport is almost 55 kilometers there. 55 kilometers. And Sriharikota is there, launching, no? Their airport is not there. You have to move to Chennai. There, 150 kilometers there. We have to take risk. We are road transport only. Okay, through Tirupati, one salute, I can move. Like that only. That is only. Airport is not there in the Sriharikota. Very big aircraft is landing that one. Okay, that is only via your Osur only it is moving sometime Tirupati road it is moving. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Any other technical questions, students?
So my question is, what is the technique used for terminal blanket for testing, sir?
Testing, that is ready thermal blanket is there. Okay, already the thermal blanket is tested, proven that is. Every time that is not testing, thermal blanket is proven, it is withstand temperature, plus 120, minus 180. Okay, that is inside, different layers are there. Okay, mesh type is there, sheet is there, like that. Multi-layer means, example, our satellite is in 500 kilometer means 13 layer we are putting. Your satellite 700 kilometer means 22 layers. That depends upon the height. Okay, that thermal blanket name is Captain, I don't know, that is proven. All the countries we are using that type of thermal blanket only.
Sir, it won't cause us damage, sir.
No, it will not.
For the speed.
No. What speed?
Why?
Our satellite is moving 24,000 km per hour. 24,000 km per hour in the space. Okay? There no oxygen is there. Only there is vacuum only. Only vacuum is there. Any other questions, friends?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, is there any specific courses that we should be reading to join ISRO?
No specific. This one, what you are studying, that one only. Basic thing only we are giving questions. All basic things, so fundamental only important thing. Even engineering also, BSc also, BCom also we are taking. For salary and all, who is giving? Who is giving? BCom students only. Okay, all we are taking. Nurse, doctors. For all everything, only basic question only we are asking. Basic question only important.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, that you said that satellite things are brought from America, na?
Components.
Why we can't buy from India, sir?
Why you have to manufacture in India? Is it? Cost
Yes,
is more, is it? Very too much of cost is there. You have to develop labs means cost is more, is there? And if you manufacture in a year, who will buy? India only. Cost is more, is there? I told a year 1 rupee means 1,000 rupees. Okay, lot of thing is there. Already we have started in India also. Chandigarh one place is, Punjab, Chandigarh already started. But maximum we are taking other countries only. If manufactured a year, some people are buying means that is okay. Only ISRO means no use. Cost is more. That is one only. We are not manufacturing here. Now already you started in Chandigarh one case. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Boys side, any questions? This side, back side, any questions? Okay, I tell you another two important things. We all know about space, is it? How we all know about space? Your professors are telling, library is there, Google is there. Really, how we all know about space? Really, one telescope is there. Okay, in the space, telescope is there. That is called as Hubble telescope. Name is Hubble telescope. That is in 400 kilometers. Through Hubble telescope only we all know about space. How much we know? Only 10% only we know. Only 10% only. Hubble telescope, through Hubble telescope. Okay. 2018 August, that Hubble telescope is dead. Okay. Another one powerful telescope, very much powerful. How much means they stopped the cost is more is there. Okay. They launched it 2018 November. They launched that one. That name is called as in India. Telescope name James Webb. Very powerful telescope. This Hubble telescope is that is 400 kilometers. This James Webb is that is 15 lakh kilometers. 15 lakh kilometers. Okay. How much powerful means just to observe here in my hand one spider is flying like this means you know about wings and all. Just I tell you in Kannada which one? ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನೊಣ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ತರ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಾ? ನಾಟ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ನೋ. ಚಂದ್ರನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೊಣ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ತರ ಫ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ವೆಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್, ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ 10%? ನೋ, ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Another 90% you show. No, we do not know aliens is there or not. Aliens, simply that like here jumping, here running, here going like that only. Not proven. But our James Webb within a year, if aliens is definitely will show. How much powerful is there? That is in James Webb. Just to note down, first Hubble, next is James Webb. Okay, that is in 15 lakh kilometers. This Hubble telescope is in only 400 kilometers. That is dead already. Now James Webb is there. It is showing. Now we are seeing only one sun. Is it? Sun is only one is there. Lot of suns are there. Lot of suns are there. That our James Webb is showing. Lot of suns. Okay, real things that is showing. Okay, that is one point. Now, in the space, one very big house is there. You know that one? Very big house. In that one, 4 to 5 astronauts are there. You know that one?
International Space Station.
International Space Station. That is in 400 kilometers. Now what it is there? Our Kalpana Chawla died, no? She's come from there only. That is, now our Sunita Williams is there. Okay? That is 400 kilometer, very big house. There 4 labs are there. Russia lab, America lab, Japan lab, Europe lab. 4 labs are there. There some special research is going on. Now recently China, 2 days back, 2 astronauts come to International Space Station. They are growing their tomatoes, potatoes and all. There also people are there, they want vegetables, no? How to grow and all in the space. They research that one. Okay, there 4 labs are there, Russia lab, America lab, Japan lab, Europe lab. Indian astronauts, any one person moved to the International Space Station, any name, any idea? 1984, one astronaut from India, Rakesh Sharma is reached International Space Station. That is a very big house. Here in the International Space Station, no, in the Earth we are eating like this, is it? Taking lunch and in the space not like that. Chapati it is floating like that only, like you're eating. Even drinking water also, open the bottle, put it water, it is flowing like that drinking. Okay, there maximum 2 years can stay, maximum 2 years. More than 2 years means some medical problem will comes. Medical problem, that is only maximum 2 years. What problem is, here my hand is in the earth, my hand is bending like this, is it? In the more than 2 years means in the space, bending reverse also. That is only maximum 2 years. Okay, first Indian astronaut is Rakesh Sharma. And one important project is there. ISRO's important projects are there. Okay, that is called as very big project. That is called as Gaganyaan project. Okay, yesterday our chairman has announced that their schedule is 2025 is there. Now it is extended to 2025. 2 persons move to the space. 3 days they stay, again they come back. Already training and all over in Russia. All 3 astronauts are in our Bangalore. That is very big project. 2026 beginning it is started. Okay. Reusable rocket also we are using that one. Reusable rocket was already successful there. Okay, 3 modules we have successfully done it last year onwards. Now final is there. Final 2026. Our Gaganyaan project is very big project, very important project. Why we are using Gaganyaan project means our Modi sir dream is there. Modi sir dream is there. 2035. Indian astronauts move to the moon, put India flag in the moon. That is one plan, a very big plan is there, 2035. Okay. 2050, you all know, no, I don't know, International Space Station. That is, what is more is there? That is 4 countries, Russia, America, Japan, Europe countries. Our Modi dream is there. Indian International Space Station should be there. Already preparation is going on. Our own International Space Station should be there. The preparation purpose, we are doing Gaganyaan project. That is 400 km only. It is revolving 24,000 km per hour. It is revolving. Okay, Indian International Space Station. That name is 2050, 2045 or 50. Already it is started. We are launching that one. International Indian Space Station. Okay, that is only we are putting Gaganyaan project. Next year, 2026, 2 persons move to the space. 3 days they stay, again they come back, training and over in Russia. Okay, understand? Okay, any other question, students? Anything? Nothing is there? Okay, thank you.
So thank you, so for such a enlightening and inspiring talk. Your words have truly left an impact on us. To express our heartfelt gratitudes, we have a small token of appreciation. I would like to invite our respected HOD to kindly come forward and present a memo to our guest. Just let us join us applause and gesture for thanks and respects. So as we come to the end of this wonderful sessions, it's my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. Today's event has been the inspiring experience. So first and foremost, I would like to express heartfelt gratitude to our guest speaker, Mr. HL Srinivas, Scientist, ISRO Satellite Center, for sharing his incredible journey and valuable insight with us. So, your experiences and stories have truly inspired us all, and we are deeply gratitude for the time and effort you be with us today. Thank you, sir. So a special thanks to our respected principal, Reverend Father Jinsa CMI, for the continuous support and encouragement that made this event possible. Your guidance has been invaluable in forecasting an environment where such learning experience can thrive. Thank you, Father. So a big thank you for our dedicated faculty members for their commitments to provide the best for our students. It's truly appreciated. And last but not the least, I want to extend my thanks to our enthusiastic students for attending and participating with such energy and curiosity. Your eagerness to learn and grow in what drives us to organize such events. So thank you once again all and being a part of this events. Let's continue to be inspired and drive with the greatness in what we do. So have a wonderful day and have a great day ahead. Thank you all once again. Thank you. So please rise.
Not all. Guys, go to classes. Hold on, guys.